I'm gonna see if I can make a journal app that is especially cozy. Let me grab my coffee for this, fluff these pillows while I wait. Cozy Journal, your safe space to reflect, remember, and rediscover yourself. Show me how it works. So I click demo data. Oh, it was a rare treat. Okay, great. Get AI insight on it. Your day exemplifies the eloquence and finding beauty through simplicity of existence. All right, save that data. And now I'll share it. Once it's published, anybody can go take this app and remix it to make it their own. So if cozy isn't your thing, you could totally take my app and remix it into something that fits your style. Like perhaps a metal-themed journal app. Scream into the void! Oh my gosh, I actually would much prefer this than a cozy journal app. My cozy journal went from cozy to metal!